O le aitema o le aso ai, o le tala e whaatino I pese. O le tala I le taulanga osi a Aperaamo, na ave ailo na atalii, e whaia I le taulanga I le atua. A o le taulanga lea na suia, ina ua au mai le atua lo na atalii, e osi ai le taulanga mo le whanau o tangata ma le lalalangi. Usi mai le whaafonga o le tala I a Aperaamo malana taulanga.
This must be the hardest hill I ever climbed, for I must sacrifice you promised son of mine. And so I go to worship with you by my side, and trust the sacrifice He will provide.
Behold the fire and the wood. Father, where is the lamb? Where is the lamb?
And though I cherish you, I must now offer you to Him who is the giver of good things. And though I cherish you, I will not offer you, for surely He will raise you up again.
Father, behold the fire and the wood. Father, where is the lamb? Where is the lamb?
Here on this altar, Father, I lay all my dreams and offer back to you this child you gave me. Oh son, you must believe He's called us to obey, and by His love He'll make a better way. Oh Abraham, withhold your hand. Now that I know you fear my name, withhold your hand. so I honor you. Your sacrifice is now the King of Kings.
Jehovah Jireh, He has provided the sacrifice of love no man could ever pay, and what He requires of you and me, even the hardest thing. Your blood of Christ, your sacrifice gives me strength to obey. Jehovah Jireh, He has provided the sacrifice of love no man could ever pay, and what He requires of you and me, even the hardest thing. Your blood of Christ, your sacrifice gives me strength to obey. Your blood of Christ, your sacrifice gives me strength